What is up, T Nation? Welcome or welcome back to another video. Y'all already know it's me, Taz. So today I am working with another T-part wig. This wig was actually never installed on my head though. And yes, for those of you who recognize the hair, no, it is an older video. So that is another reason why I am missing my headstand and I do not have the proper equipment. Y'all see me plucking, tinting, and cutting on my head today, y'all. So what I was actually going for this wig, for those of you who remember my birthday, I did a long silver look and I was just trying to recreate that with a bob because I ended up cutting that long hair into a silver bob anyway. But y'all, that did not go according to plan at all. So I ended up getting all of the half-empty dye bottles in my house and putting it on this wig. So that's why she's looking like she's looking, y'all. And if y'all can notice, the roots were still silver. I made a little bit of a tint. I mixed up mascara and foundation together, y'all. Yes, I did what I had to do. I did not have, like I said, the proper equipment, and I was not prepared for this wig to go wrong. So always have a plan B, y'all, because I did not have a plan B. But moving on, guys, I am finishing cutting off all of the lace on this wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with my ear flaps. As y'all can see, I am working with another T-part wig, so I do not have very much spacing at all, y'all. That is the spacing that I have to work with for my ear flaps. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my ear flaps, guys. I'm gonna show you how I made it work. For some reason, the other side had much more lace on it than this side. This side literally had no lace on it at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my lace. Y'all can watch and see what I do to customize these ear flaps. So I went ahead and just played with it at first. I really didn't even know what to do. There was just so much material. I was just trying to make it more of a flesh tone. So that's why y'all see me going through with my foundation, and I'm just trying to like make it a little less noticeable that there's fabric there. I ended up cutting off that piece on the other side, so don't worry, I did not leave that side like that. But as y'all can see, like I said, the other side has way more lace on it to work with for an ear flap. So I'm just cutting off the other side of my ear flap. So I'm going back and I'm cutting that fabric a little bit more, and I'm tinting that a little bit more just to make it a little more comfortable on my ear. And I'm going through now and I'm just gonna go ahead and section out my edges. I did not want to fool with my ear flaps too much because my camera always seems to die during these videos, guys. So I went ahead and just kept going on. I'm sectioning out my edges and I'm going to thin them out before I tie them and section them out.
I slept on the bed.
Next, I'm just using my Got2b glue, guys, and I have been put on since these videos, guys. I don't even use these products, so I'm going to show you guys in my newer videos what products I use. But for this video, I did use the Got2b glue, and I went ahead and sprayed that down, and I'm putting my headscarf on, and I'm going to lay down my edges before I start flicking them down. And I waited about 10 minutes before I took the wrap off.
To me? No, go to the worst. It's a surrender of the consequences. Wait.
He's stupid.
Free. And all jokes.
Yo, this is why I have to do voiceovers.
Bro, she like to hold her back, bro, when she wrote that shit.
Y'all, I absolutely love my family, but the places I have to go and hide to do these voiceovers is crazy. So anyway, y'all, I took the wrap off and I sectioned all of my edges out, and I'm about to start trimming and laying those down, guys. So I ended up having to go back and customize this last ear flap a little bit more, guys. This install was not it for me, guys. It just ended up being another wig to practice on, and it's more content for you guys to watch. But yes, guys, more of that fabric kept sticking out, so I ended up having to go through and I grabbed some more foundation and I just dabbed that on the hairline just to make it a little bit more flesh tone and a little less noticeable. But y'all, this wig was the ultimate challenge to install, guys. But I just went ahead and finished up on that side, and I went ahead and started up on the next side. So if y'all have been tuning in and y'all have seen my last episode, y'all can see that this is the same exact parting space as the last one. Y'all can see as I'm doing my edges that there's literally no lace at all. So it just goes from hair to just like material. But if y'all have not seen my last episode, y'all can click the link above and it'll take you to that video. But I'm just gonna go ahead and stop complaining about this wig and just install it for you guys, because y'all already know how much of a struggle it was for me. And looking back at it, I should have trimmed down that ear flap a little bit more, but we are living and we are learning here, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing these edges for you guys, and I'm going to finish up and we are going to style this wig. So for styling this wig, guys, I decided to go with curls because of how much I dyed it, guys. It wasn't stiff, but it was giving a little bit tired. So I went ahead and put some curls in it, guys. So for me, I love doing straight hair when it comes to short bobs. But y'all can still see the silver peeking through. I barely had enough dye to finish, but like I said, this ended up being the perfect practice wig, guys. But unfortunately, my battery died once again. I promise you guys I'm going to get a new battery and a new memory card, because y'all, this is ridiculous. Every time I seem to record, my battery dies. But I did end up attaching some pictures of what it looked like when it was completely done, since I only got one side curl for you guys. And that is the face that I made when I realized that my camera was about to die, so I had to do a very quick outro. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.